Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring in the Dell 5320 laptop. So here we have a nice keyboard. Nice. If you guys notice, the power button is just located right in the corner. I like the whole feature on itself. You know, they haven't changed the design. Same large touchpad as you can see. But the biggest thing that has changed right here is they do have a touch screen, and they included, of course, like always, the camera, and there's a little cover for the camera. Those are, don't want to be seen. You could just cover it up. Great microphone, 720 maximum resolution. That's about it. Test 1 2 3. This is the video camera. 1 2 3. Close it. Close the shutter out. Open it. It's not bad. Right in front of it. 1 2 3. Test test test. 1 2 3. Test. It's pretty neat. Pretty good. This is the camera. Alright, let's take a look at the side of the computer. First, we start with the micro SD card, a USB 3.2, and then two Thunderboards Type C. On the other side, we have a lock mechanism, we have HDMI, another USB 3.2, a jack, a 3.5, and then this is a SIM card reader for your phone. Alright, let's take a look at the inside. We're going to remove all 8 screws in order to remove it. Make sure you have something sharp like a guitar pick or a credit card to remove the side. The battery, 63WH. M.2, NVMe, CPU, GPU built in together. Memory solder in, speakers. One fan. Everything's covered up in here. Memory solder in, everything's built in except for the M.2. And they have a little cover here, just sticker. Air vents in the back, you can see through. NIC card here, part of the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And that's about it. Nothing fancy. Thermal tape. Alright, let's take a look at the specs on the machine. If you guys can see it, this is a workstation, not a gaming station. Poor in the graphic department on this one. It's good for students, Excel spreadsheets, work groups that are using this for, especially if you're using the Zoom calls, meetings, online. If the performance is not the greatest, it's just there enough to get you to do your work, internet, students, and that's pretty much what you can do. But graphic wise, it really lacks in graphics. The memory itself is not the greatest memory that's installed in here, but you know, for what you're going to use it for, work and any kind of related online Zoom classes and stuff like that. You can pretty much do everything on this system. So the specs are not that bad. And if you guys like this kind of stuff, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.